Hello YouTube, this is Exotic Formula here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth scrolling effect in React.js. I will also fix some of the common issues faced by people when trying this method, um, when using class names instead of IDs. We have to do some extra steps to make it work and such, and I will show you how to fix all of that. So I have created two views here. When I click on the scroll button, I want the window to scroll into the second view here. So what I will do is go into project. I have created two components here for both the views. What I will do is add a on click event to this first view, and when the user clicks on the button, what I want to do is get the second view by its ID. You can see I have given an ID to the second view. I will get it by the ID name, and I want to call scroll into view method on this element. And if I go and try again, you can see if I click on scroll, it scrolls to the second view, but you can see it is not smooth. So if I want to make it smooth, I want to go into CSS file, and for the HTML tag I want to add the scroll behavior equal to smooth. Now if I go and try again, you can see it smoothly scrolls into the second view. So you can see we did it using the ID. So I have also given a class here of 2. So let's say you want to do this by selecting the class name and not ID, then I will get element ID by class name. Okay, we are getting the element by class names and calling the scrolling to email button. Now if you try, you can see it doesn't work. We can go into the console and see what's happening. We can see document get element by class name is not a function. So let's print out and see why it's happening. I am printing this out to screen. Let's see what's going on. We can see we are actually getting a HTML collection here and not a single element. The element is inside this collection in the 0th index. So for getting it, what we want to do is, instead of calling this directly, we want to get the first element of this array like thing. It's not actually an array, it's an array like thing. And if you go again, if you try, you can see it scrolls smoothly now, no issues. And I'll show you one more thing. Like instead of button, let's say I'm using a link tag here. You can see it's not working because by default we can see when you click on this thing, the page refreshes here. That's why it's not working. To make this work, we have to add one more thing here. Inside this anonymous function, we have to accept a event parameter. Then before calling this scroll into view function, we want to call e.prevent default method on this. This will prevent the default action of that link. Now if you try again, you can see it's working perfectly. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you find this helpful, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.